A very good morning to class 12E. Now this subject is art. So this is the second class. We have done already 2 more classes. First is introduction. Second we have done still life. And now today also is we'll doing still life. Secondly we have done about fruits. Just for revision, that's what you call watermelon. Shapes of a watermelon or whatever. We have done this. That is in the second class. Now, today also we are doing the plant. The plant, or maybe you have a flower, plant, leaves, etc. This is draw with nature or touch with nature, whatever you call. So this is an important lesson. And we are doing according to your syllabus. Okay? Still life you have is 1, 2 and 5. Rockville class 12 we have done 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mentioned that. So we are doing only 1, 2 and 5. We are not doing 2, 3 and 4. So this is still life number 1. Section A. I've written section A. So there you'll get it, the still life. So I'll talk about flowers today. Flowers. So there's a different type of flowers. One is what do you call that? Indoor plant, or maybe a outdoor, or whatever like. So that's the decoration plant. So many things. So this is simply for flower. So when someone asks to draw a flower, maybe you're drawing marigold, rose, whatever. So first thing, you'll have 2 categories. It means sometimes you won't get the thing, the natural. One is artificial and one natural. So sometimes the season flower you won't get it. Now marigold you won't get now, which called saipati or whatever. So this days, rainy days, it's quite hard to get it. But when you get a Diwali, Dasara time, you get plenty of marigold, saipatri, etc. Those flowers. So now, for your example, if you don't get the natural flowers, then you have to do exactly artificial. So I can show you this thing, this artificial flower. See, this is plastic, made by plastic. But it seems like real. Okay? It's made by wire and all. So this look like exactly, this look like a flower only. But it is artificial. So sometimes you have to do with this. If it's not available in the market, or maybe it's not a seasonal flower, then you'll get it the artificial. I mean rubber, plastic, paper, whatever. So this is this is an artificial flower. You got it? So many flowers are there. See, you can see rose also. This is artificial, made by plastic, all green plastics and all. So thing is, you can use artificial as your exams or maybe when it is needed. If you won't get the natural, but we prefer the natural. So this syllabus say draw with nature. Or you can say touch with nature. So simply this is leaf, this is natural. I plucked just now only. This is green leaf. What do you call this? It's not a people and all. So this leaf is a natural. You can feel it also. Okay? I just plucked up the. It was in a big pot. So I got it. So this way. Still life also you can use artificial and natural, both. But especially, in exam they ask for natural. If you won't get a natural flower, then you can use the artificial. So this way, I showed you, this is artificial flower, which is exactly look like a flowers, which is natural. Okay? But this is natural, and you can see the leaf The leaf is plastic leaf, you can see. So this original leaf, green, it's got a life also. Okay. So I plucked only, I saw a small, like a, what do you call, white color of like a milk. It's coming out of stem. So it means this is natural. So this way, your examination also, but we'll try, we prefer natural things. Maybe a flower, leaves, a fruit, whatever, we prefer first natural. Okay. But in case this is not seasonal, you won't get seasonal only, I told you that. So many flowers you won't get it. So this is, if you won't get the natural, then you'll go for artificial. Artificial means like it's look alike, means exactly the same. You can see the rose, I showed you also. This is rose, plastic, leaves, stem. So this look like a rose, but it is artificial. So when you examination, you can use both, but we prefer natural. Because if you do with the natural only, you can feel it. This is. Okay? This is a sudden life, I think 1-2 hours, that it will die. After tomorrow, it will dry it up, and you won't see the green. It's faded color. So this nature is when you do for the nature, so you can feel it with the nature. Where you get this thing, what type of plant, okay? And maybe it's a decoration plant, or indoor plant, or outdoor plant, or ornament plant, whatever things. So these are the things. So we prefer first natural. If you won't get it, I told you, that is, you can use artificial. So this is section 1, still life. Still life means the things which can't be movable. You won't move with this thing, so this is called still life. So in examination also, so many things will come. Maybe your fruits, watermelon, apple, pineapple, banana, mango, orange, whatever. Season fruit, you'll get it. Okay? And if you won't get seasonal, you can use artificial. And after that, plant also, so many plants are there. There's a money plant also there. So many plants are there. So these things are, you need specially, we prefer specially the natural. But if you won't get it, then we only do the artificial. This is still life. So you have to sit and just draw the thing. And if it's important also, the color also. When you're drawing this leaf, you can see the green color. Okay? Purely green. And also like other plant, they have different colors, like maybe other, what do you call that, specially plant, they have flowers, they have a rose also. White rose you'll see, but the leaves and stem they are always green. Red rose also you'll get it, yellow, whatever. All these colors they'll see, you'll find out the green leaves. So it means the leaves are always green. So you can feel it that way. So this is very simple thing to do. So we are doing this according to what you call this is syllabus. Okay? So I have given in a thing also your topic also. Topic in the thing, what you call that? Lesson plan. Not lesson plan, that's the thing. What do you call it? Project. Yes. Project. Project work, or you can say art project. So you'll get some varieties are there. Different type of things are there. Sometimes you have to make that's craft also, cover of a book, a greetings card, maybe cartoons, and you'll have a calligraphy, different type of handwriting, block letter, drawing letter, whatever, like that only. So this thing also you'll get in the still life, and you'll get different type of things. Okay. What do you call that? And rest. So still life, you can draw a football boot, maybe music instrument, guitar, synthesizer, whatever. So this way, still life, the things are there, you have to see and live. You have done in a class 9, 10, 11 we haven't done the class, 12 also. So now we'll practice this thing, that now good morning class, and Thank you very much.